Hi, it's Professor Monte. Let's look at solutions to inequalities. Okay, so when we read an inequality, this symbol right here means less than. For the number line, the number over here would be to the left of the number to the right. So less than or to the left of. If you put the equal sign, it means one of two things. Either it's less than or it's equal to. Obviously, no number can be less than a number and equal to the number at the same time. This is an or statement. If either it's less than or it's equal to, it's going to be true. Greater than. So the symbol that way means greater than or to the right of on the number line. And then greater than or equal to. Again, it's either greater than or it's equal to. Either one will make it true. Okay, so here's some examples I put. These are all true. So if I say 3 is, remember that's less than 5. Well, 3 is less than 5 or 3 is to the left of 5 on the number line. Yeah, that's true. We know that to be true. Some people like to say, think of this as the alligator mouth and wants to eat the bigger one. Oh, 5 is bigger than 3. It's trying to eat that. So we know that's true that way. Mathematically, we would say, oh, 3 is less than or to the left of 5 on the number line. So true. This one confuses a lot of students because I'll see students, they'll tell me, oh, no, Professor Monte, 3 is not less than or equal to 5 because it's not equal to 5. I said, yes, but it's less than. It's either less than or it's equal to. Either one makes it true. 3 is less than 5, so this is true. Even though obviously it's not equal, it's still true because it satisfies one of the two. Same with this one. 3 is less than or equal to 3. It's not less than, but it is equal to. So since 3 is equal to 3, this one's true as well. This one's a little confusing. -4 less than -1. It's like, well, if I spend $4, I have less money than if I spent $1. So in that regard, I can see that it's true. If I do a number line, 0, -1, -4 is over here. Oh yeah, -4 is to the left of -1. So be careful of the negatives. They seem to go in the wrong direction. This one also true. 8 is greater than -6. That one's pretty clear. But this means to the right of, on the number line, 8, positive 8 is to the right of -6. And then another one that's true, 0 is greater than or equal to -2. So it's either to the right of -2 or it's the same place as -2. We know it's greater than -2. So again, it's true even though you have this or equal. All right. So what I want you to do now, pause your video, try to answer these 4 questions. Just tell me if they're true or false. And I'll give you a minute to do that. I'm assuming you're going to pause the video because I'm just going to keep talking. So pause the video now, answer those, and we'll get back and I'll tell you the right answers. Okay, so we're back whether or not you pause the video or not. 1 is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, that's true because it's equal to 1. -3 is greater than -2. Well, that would say -3 is to the right of -2. It's not to the right of -2. That one's false. Right, think if you're going to have more money, it's going to eat the bigger one. Well, if I spent $3, I have less money than if I spent $2. So this one, the way it's written, is false. 6 is less than or equal to 4. Yeah, it's one of the two. It's less than 4. It's not less than 4. It's equal. No, of course it's not equal to 4. This one's false as well. If you're hungry, you want to eat the bigger one, you're not going to eat the 4. The 6 is the bigger number, so the inequality should face the other way. So this one's false as well. And then 0 less than or equal to 7. Yeah, it's less than 7. It's not equal, but it only has to be one of the two. So this one's true as well. So hopefully you did well on that. Get a little practice, understand how these works, think of the number line. These will come to you. You'll get these pretty quickly, I think so.